My pee hurts.
Hey guys, maybe you've seen my deepfake on r/Jschlatt, so I'm gonna show you today how you can create your own. We are going to use a website called ubduck.ai, which has a vast choice of different characters. Choose the YouTubers category and then pick Jschlatt, and then put in something that only a comedic genius would come up with. Click synthesize and then wait. When it's done, you can listen to it.
My pee hurts.
And then just click on download. Record yourself saying the line in the same speed and tempo as the original audio. Make sure there's no hair in your face and you are in the center of the screen. Use your video editor of choice to trim down your recording if needed. Then set your sequence resolution to 256 by 256. Position your face in the center of the square. And render your video. We are going to use a demo for our first Oreo motion model for our image animation, the Vox model. So first click on the first thing, and when it's done loading, click on the second thing and wait. Then, when it's done loading, scroll to the bottom and there's a UI where you can choose your picture. Use jschlatt.png, which I've provided in the link below. And as a video, choose the video 256 by 256 that you've rendered. Wait for it to load, have the Vox model chosen, and then click generate, and then wait. And when it's done, you can see the output with a comparison of the original video. Then you can just click on download and save it to your computer. In the video editor of your choice, paste in your headless Jschlatt that I've also provided in the link below. Then paste in the output from the AI and your audio. Try to match it up as closely as you can. Then add a green screen effect to the J head and then scale it. Your video is now done and you can render it. You can use this method with any face you like, so happy memeing. Bye!